up to the making the stage is sad. The curtains rise, can't believe what I get. A pack of wolves with hunger in their eyes, but I'm ready to fight, steady with my rhymes. Let emotions flow, every word, every line. This life's been tough, but how can I define the struggles that I face, the dreams I had to chase, the battles that I won climbing up the staircase. When I'm gone, just carry on north. Reduce every time you hear the sound of my voice. Know that I light through you, my words hold the truth. When I'm gone, just carry on north. Going through hardages and pain, I gain my strength. The fire in my soul pushed me to lengths. I speak from my heart, I've been real from the start. Every bar, every verse, and right through the dark. Now it's my time to sow and prove that every step I take is a giant move. Battles I've been through, foiling my devotion. Inspiration in waves, like an endless ocean. So let the music play, let's celebrate life. Create that connection, keep the message alive. Keep chasing your dreams, leaving fear behind. It's redemption time, let's open them eyes. And as I step back, reflecting on my fate, it's been a crazy ride, but it didn't change a day. Living through my songs, my story will survive. Hold my family close, legacy will thrive. So remember these words, let it fuel your fire. Persevere, rise, never falter or tire. My spirit in the air, private in the spark. Let the music light with the beat of your heart. When I'm gone, just carry on more. Don't reduce every time you hear the sound of my voice. Know that I light through you, my words hold the truth. When I'm gone, just carry on north.